before the Jobwa war dance can continue, the Jobwa warriors have to be anointed with the sacred coconut oil. The sacred coconut oil is said to fend off evil spirits that aim to disrupt the dance and harm the boys. The anointment also brings blessings for success in their war. We are lucky enough today to have the blessing from Paramount Chief for the Jobwa war performers to perform for his brother and you all, Giroy Mike Kabua.
So this is the seventh time that the Jobwa war dance has been displayed outside of the Marshall Islands. The performers that you saw today, the small little performers, are fourth generation from the first generation that performed outside of the Marshall Islands in Townsend, Australia. The war dance is actually about the many facets of Marshallese life, from building of a canoe to launching of a canoe, building and constructing of a house, fishing, storytelling, many things, and war dancing. You know, the spears and whatnot. It's all, you know, Marshallese life in a dance, in a war dance, a chilling war dance. Each and every one of these kids are from Wujai Atoll, some way or another. They're all from a particular clan, a family, and those are the only people that are permitted to perform, because it's an oral history. You know, it's passed down from generation to generation, and only a select family can do it, and that's the family that were warriors for the royal family.
Kinito, buah terabe. Hop di bidi bedwe, berapa tebaka. Hey dunga, hey lalo lama de hope. Tabure, hey tabure la. Hakito, buah terabe, hope. Enori.